Hi, and welcome to 5430 Baltimore Drive, unit number 72 in beautiful La Mesa, California. This adorable end-unit townhome is just waiting for you to call her home. Features include 2 bedrooms, 1 bath, vaulted ceilings, an updated kitchen, dual-pane windows and slider, central heat and air conditioning, plus an attached 2-car garage with direct access. There is also a very cool vintage wood-burning fireplace, which is a showcase of the living room. Top that all off with views to the west, and you have a great home here. On a clear day, you can see the ocean from the living and dining areas. This opportunity doesn't come along often. It has been over a year since this floor plan was available. The current owner has lived here almost 30 years, and you can tell the care that has been taken. The heating and air is just 3 years old. Windows and sliders are just about 10 years old, and the water heater is almost brand new. Once you enter and go upstairs, you have single-level living with vaulted ceilings, views, and privacy, and there's an abundance of natural light. Strawberry Hills is an attractive townhome-style complex with 2 pools, a spa, an exercise room, guest parking, and low HOA dues at only $425 per month. It is centrally located in quaint La Mesa, near restaurants, shopping, the hospital, and has easy freeway access. What are you waiting for? Call me today to make this dream your reality.